Hey, what's up guys? In this particular video, I will be showcasing you different ways to turn off or restart your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. So let's begin the video. The first way is using two button combination. It is volume down and the side key. Press both of these buttons at the same time and hold them. The power menu will appear. Alternatively, go to the quick setting menu by swiping down from the top of the screen. Swipe down once again to expand it. You will see this power icon at the top menu. Tap on it. You will get this menu to switch off or restart your device. To force to restart, press and hold the volume down and the side key together continuously, holding the key until Samsung logos appeared on the screen. Now, release the keys. It will restart normally. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel for more amazing content that is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.